Welcome you all. Now we are going to discuss about reliability analysis. Reliability test or Cronbach alpha test is to see if multiple questions in Likert survey scale are reliable. These questions measure latent variables or unobservable variables. Reliability analysis refers to the fact that a scale should consistently reflect the construct it is measuring. Here, you want to use Likert scale data or interval data or ordinal data. Sometimes we can use dichotomous type of data also. So here we are measuring the reliability of the variables. That means how each variable are having internal relationship with each other, and also how these variables are contributing to the latent variable, that means unobserved variable. Suppose we are having 10 questions in one factor. All these 10 questions tells about the particular factor. For example, I am testing awareness level using 10 different questions. So here the unobserved variable or latent variable is awareness level. That awareness level is measured by the 10 questionnaires which is used in my study. So here reliability is used to test the consistency of these 10 variables to measure the unobserved or latent variable. So here the formula for Cronbach alpha is alpha equal to n into c bar divided by b bar plus n minus 1 into c bar. Here n is the number of components in the particular question. That means here I am taking 10 variables for my awareness level, so the n is 10. V bar is the average variance, c bar is the average of all covariance between the components. So this is the formula for reliability analysis. Now let us see how we can analyze the reliability using Jamovi. Now let us see how to find Cronbach alpha using Jamovi. Just you see here, we have a data in Excel sheet, that is 10 different awareness level and the personal variables like gender, age, annual income, number of the family members and education level, occupation, etc. So these are my personal questions, personal profile. So these are the 10 awareness level. So here we are using this data to find out Cronbach alpha or reliability with the help of Jamovi. Now let us open Jamovi. Now we want to import the data from Excel to this Jamovi. So let us go to click this icon, then click import. Now you can open the data sheet. Now we are having our data in this file reliability, then click open. Now your data is imported successfully in the Jamovi. Now just we delete these empty columns, delete variable, okay, delete variable, okay, then delete variable, okay. In the first step, you want to change this data type. So default is set as an nominal variable, but all these awareness variables are scale data. Now you want to change it, just click data and go to setup. Now we have awareness is an ordinal data. Then next one, this also ordinal data, click here. Third one, ordinal. Likewise, we want to do all the 10 ordinal variables. You can see here, this is 5-point scale, source number 1 to 5, highly aware to highly unaware. So that is my scale. So this is also nominal data. Others are ordinal data. Gender is a nominal data, age is a nominal data, so we can leave it as it is. So just you hide it by clicking this. Now we want to calculate reliability of this 10 variables. So just go to analyze, click factor, then click reliability analysis. So here we are having 10 variables in this list. So this should be moved this dialog box. So select one by one. So all the 10 variables, move the 10 variables. So now we can get Cronbach value of 7.30. So normally if the alpha value is greater than 7, it is acceptable, but we want to see the possibility of increasing the Cronbach value if any items is dropped. So here just you click Cronbach alpha. If any item are deleted, is there any possibility of increasing the Cronbach value? So let us see, we are using 10 variables. So if any item deleted with this 10 variable, if any variables are removed or any variables are deleted, is there any possibility of improving the Cronbach value from 7.30 to some other value? So let us see here, if we take, this is the highest value, 7.59. Suppose we dropped awareness level 10, we can get the Cronbach value 0.759. So this is the possibility. So now we can remove awareness level 10 and let us see what is the value. You can remove it. See here. So this is the new value. So when we remove the awareness level 10, we can get new Cronbach value 0.759. So if any variable are having less intercorrelation between the variables, if we remove that variable, we can able to improve the Cronbach value. So in such a way, awareness level 10 having very low intercorrelation between other variables, so we remove that variable. Now we can get new Cronbach value of 0.759. So this is the simplest way for calculating reliability analysis or Cronbach alpha using Jamovi. Thanks for watching.